Friday? Yes, it's gimmick day. Huwag na kayong mamroblema later dahil ihahatid ko na naman sa inyo ang isa na namang party place. Dito yan sa Greenbelt 3. Let's go here sa Ice Vodka. Wow! Talaga namang party ang ambience. Alamin natin kung ano nga ba ang the best at talagang dinadayo sa lugar na ito. Kasama ko ngayon si Miss Belle to tell us more about Ice Vodka. Good morning, Miss Belle.
Hi Ethel, good morning.
Okay, ano ba yung mga bagay na dinadayo at pinupuntahan talaga dito ng customer niya sa Ice Vodka?
Okay, Ice Vodka Bar kasi we have the best selection of vodka. Okay, it came from all over the world. Okay, we have the complete selection of vodka that we can offer to the guests. And then for one, we have this ice wine bucket. Yeah, this is made out of ice instead of a regular bucket. And then this one, ice shot made out of ice. Okay. Yeah, put some tissue and then if you're gonna go drink straight instead of a regular shot glass. And then aside from that, we also have ice strip all over the bar. As you can see, meron po tayong ice strip made out of real ice.
Ma'am, ano pa yung mga ibang pwedeng dayuhin dito? Na talaga naman napansin ko, very girl-friendly yung ano nyo talaga. Yung mga set nyo. Kasi may sabitan siya for us na girl na lumalabas, may mga bag na ano. Bukod dito po, meron ba kayong mga events na ginagawa for ngayong Christmas?
Events, we only accept private functions or parties, especially upcoming na yung Christmas. And then the best that we can offer, syempre yung music and entertainment, plus my friendly staff.
Okay, Miss Belle, to try ko yung mga vodka nyo. Invite nyo naman po yung aming mga viewers na pumunta dito sa Ice Vodka.
Okay, we have a lot of promos. Please try it out. We have buy one, take one on local beers. That's San Miguel Light or Pale Pilsen for 100 pesos only. So that's 2 bottles na. From 6 to 9, daily promo. Okay, and then we have free-flowing vodka tinis for only 395 pesos. It goes with free pizza and free-flowing vodka tinis from 6 to 10 p.m.
Siyempre, gusto kong itry ang kanilang vodka. At dito yan, sa kanilang ice shot. Panalo talaga ang iba't ibang klase ng vodka dito. At mga items na made of ice. Kung pasayaw naman ang trip mo, do the move. Dahil mapapasayaw ka talaga sa mga music dito. Siguradong party ng pakiramdam mo. So, tawag ka na sa barkada mo at magkita-kita dito. This is a good place to party with your barkada. Especially after 6.